Three things that is a destroyers. Three things will destroy, meaning destroy my good deeds, destroy my relationship with Allah. Jannah becomes way too far from me. Where are they, Ya Rasulullah? He said, shuhum muta', miserliness, which is one of the diseases. Don't do that. Don't teach her. Don't give her. Don't donate. I hear it and I follow it. And hawan muttaba', my inclination. I like it. I love it. Everyone else is doing it. What is wrong with it? And the third one, when somebody, i'jabul mar'i bi nafsi, I praise myself. I think I'm the best. And I get very upset, especially this is for the youth here, when they don't praise me and praise my friend. And Allah now putting you on the test. When someone praises somebody and they don't praise you, you know what should you say? Alhamdulillah, they don't know my shortcomings. Alhamdulillah, Allah concealed it.